Namaste, everyone. Thank you for joining me in today's practice. Well, come onto your mat. You know where I am. If you have a block or strap handy, we get ready to rock and roll. This is a 10-minute power yoga class. Let's get it in. So we're going to start from the back of the mat. Keep the legs hip distance apart. Reach the hands all the way up, look up, finding that length stretching up as you exhale, forward fold. So again, these are for those people that feel like they can do a shorter practice and feel amazing. So from here, we're going to walk the hands forward. And right away, we come into our plank, energize those hands, draw the belly in and up, find that length. Shoulder away from the ears. Exhale, press back, downward facing dog. And right away, I want us to set our intention in the downward dog, being cognizant of our hands and our shoulder and our legs. Breathe in and out. Cultivate your yogi breath. When you have it, you're going to roll forward into your plank. Roll over to the left side. This time we stack the leg or stagger. Right hand reach up, finding that length. Push into the left hand. Bring the right leg right away behind the left, opening the back body. Noticing your shoulder. As you exhale, press back into plank. Yogi push up. Upward facing dog. Finding that length, finding the strength. Press back, downward dog. Making sure you're breathing in and out. Coming back into plank. Over to the right side, stack or stagger. Take the left hand all the way up. Make sure you're breathing in and out. Finding that length, pushing into the right hand. Exhale, lift the left leg and bring it behind the right. While thin on this side. So warming up again. It's important to warm up. Allowing your shoulders to relax. Exhale. Come back into plank. Yogi push up. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Inhale the right leg to the sky. Extend. Taking a big breath in, bring the right leg in between the hand. Inhale, rise up into your high lunge or crescent lunge. Noticing that right knee is 90 degrees, left leg extending. Exhale, release the hand. Interlace the hand behind you. Draw the shoulder, open the chest, especially during the midweek. You've been sitting down in the office for a long time, finding that shoulder away from the ears, lean forward, then inhale, you're going to hop that left leg up and extend. Noticing your left leg, noticing your right leg. Continue to work with this breath and lengthen that left leg, straighten the right leg. Taking one more breath in. Exhale, release the left leg to meet with the right. Draw knuckles down, open the heart, look up, tailbone scoops under. Inhale, hands reach up, lengthen the spine. Noticing your breath. Lift the heels and come into footstool. Sitting a little bit deeper into that chair, imaginary chair. And then inhale, reach the hands all the way up. Tailbone under, open heart as you lean back. Exhale as you lean forward. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, step the right leg back, left leg back, downward dog. Inhale, forward into plank. Look forward. 2 of these push up. Elbow hugging the rib cage. Inhale, come up. Exhale, down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Noticing your breath. Exhale, downward facing dog. Great job. Inhale, take the left leg up, 3-legged dog. Finding that length, squaring the hip. Exhale the left leg in between the hand. Inhale, right away, rise. Crescent lunge, high lunge. Noticing your right foot, noticing your left leg. Exhale, bring the hands behind you. Interlace the hand, especially if you have tight shoulder. Finding your length, broaden across the chest. When you have it, you're going to inhale, lift that right leg up, and extend that right leg. Tailbone draws under, straighten the right leg and left leg, lengthen the spine. Work with your breath. Bending that left leg, right leg meets with the left. Tailbone under, draw the shoulders down, look up or look forward. Finding that length, breathe in, and reach the hands all the way up. Chair pose, rock to the ball of the foot, and come into footstool. Continue to energize the legs, lengthen the spine. Inhale, press into your legs, reach the hands all the way up. Take a slightly back bend. Exhale, hinge from the hip as you fold. Inhale, look forward to lengthen. Plant the hands on the mat. Step back or jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, come back into plank. Yogi push-up. Upward facing dog. Noticing your breath. Press back into that plank. Roll over to the left side, side plank. Stacking or staggering. Right leg behind the left. Wafting. A back bend. You get everything in one. Taking a big breath in. And bring yourself back into that plank. Right knee, right elbow. Hug it in. Right leg in between the hand. Inhale, draw the right hand up. It's a twist. Noticing your breath. Noticing that right leg and the left leg. Inhale, rising up like the warrior that you are. Warrior 2. Shoulder away from the ears. Look at the right hand. Skandasana as you draw over to the left side, opening the hip. Finding that length. Breathe in. Right leg is active. Press back on. Warrior 2. Peaceful warrior, reverse warrior. Noticing your breath. Back to warrior 2. Cartwheel both hands to the mat. Step the right leg back and up. And lower the right leg down. 2 of these yogi push-up, elbow hug. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. Upward facing. Downward facing. Taking a big breath here. Lose the air from the mouth. Inhale, back to plank. Roll over to the left side. And stack the leg on top of the right. Stack or stagger. Left hand reach up. Side plank. I want you to be cognizant of your breath. Lift the left leg, bring it behind the right, while thin. Taking that back bend, getting nice and deep into the back. Shoulder away from the ears. Exhale, coming back into plank. Noticing your back body. Left knee, left elbow. Hug it in, squeeze it in. Inhale, back. The left leg in between the hand. And rise. Crescent lunge. And open up into warrior 2. Noticing your breath. Inhale, dropping it over to the right. Skandasana. Noticing that right hip. Noticing the left leg. Inhale, back into your warrior 2. Shoulder away from the ears. Peaceful warrior, reverse warrior. I want you to notice the difference of the sequence and come back to warrior 2. Exhale, reach the right hand down and take the left hand up. Your breath remains constant. Breathe in and breathe out. Exhale, the hands frame the front foot. Look forward to lengthen. Exhale, step the left leg back and come back into your plank. Three-legged plank on the left side. Exhale down. Three-legged plank on the right side. Lower. Yogi push-up. Upward facing. Downward facing. Hop your right leg in between the hands. The left leg halfway in for pyramid pose. Lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold. Feel the stretch and feel the length on that right leg. Relax the head and relax your shoulder. Take the left leg to meet with the right. Inhale, chair, Katasana. Tailbone under. Hands in Namaste Anjali Mudra. Right elbow, asana of the left. Thumb to sternum, option 1. Option 2, right hand down, left hand reach high. Sitting a little bit lower, squeezing that knee together. Finding that length. Coming back into chair. Shoulder away from the ears. Exhale, forward fold. Lengthen as you step the right leg back. Square the hip, shoulder away from the ears. As you exhale, pyramid pose on this side. Relax the head. Start to find the flexibility and also the strength. Inhale, look forward and bring the right leg to meet with the left. First, lengthen, flat back. Exhale, fold. Bend the knee, chair pose, legs hugging together. Tailbone under. Hands in Anjali Mudra. Left elbow outside of the right knee, thumb to sternum. Opening. Option to bring the left hand down, right hand reach high. Knees hugging together. Taking one more breath here. Inhale back to chair, Utkatasana. Finding that length, sitting a little bit as you lift the heels. Shoulder away from the ears. Now open the knee and bring the hands in front of the heart. From here, we're going to take it to the floor. Lengthen the spine. As you exhale, start to lower your hip to the mat and lift your legs. Navasana, boat pose. Legs bent a little bit easy, straighter legs, a little bit challenging. So take it to where you're comfortable. Breathe in and find yourself halfway, noticing the low boat. We're going to rock it up to our high boat, belly in, rib cage in. To our low boat, finding that length. Taking a big breath in, back to our high boat, bent knee, plant the hands behind you, bring your feet on the mat, hip distance apart, push into the thumb and index finger, stretch out your tricep, bicep, lift your sternum, then inhale, lift the hip, finding your shoulder, finding your breath, bringing the right ankle over the left, squeezing that bum seat as you look up. Feel that joy in the hip. Exhale the right leg down, push in and come into that tabletop. Finding that length and bring your left ankle over to the right side. Squeeze and lift the chest. Finding that breath. Releasing the tension. Pushing into the thumb and index finger to protect the shoulder. As you exhale, lower. Push your hip back and find yourself in seated. Legs are straight. Lengthen the spine, hands reach up, look up. Exhale, you reach forward, hinge from the hip. Maybe you catch the toes, finding that length. Breathe in and out. So allowing yourself to go within and connect with your breath. Continue to hug that knee in. Continue to look forward. So forward looking. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale, hands reach up. Exhale, bring the hands down. Wiggle the legs to the right and press yourself into tabletop. Inhale, look up, cat and cow. Exhale, round. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round. This will be the last one. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round. And slowly bring yourself into your child's pose. Reaching the hands forward, releasing the head on the mat. Reach the hands, lengthen the spine, push the hip to the heels. And breathe. When you're ready, slowly snake your body and come into your puppy pose. Straighten your legs and come into the forearm. Stretch the front of the hip. Lengthen the spine. Open the heart. Start to unwind. One more breath here. Relaxing the face. Relaxing the shoulder. Release on your back. And right away we go into happy baby pose. So making sure you catch the outer edge, pushing your back into the mat, getting the lovely massage on your back. It's a happy baby, remember? Straighten your right leg, maybe if it's an option there. Straighten the left leg. Maybe both legs straight, you decide. And then slowly bring the legs together. And we release on the mat. Sutta Baddha Konasana. Just making sure your back is on the mat. And release. Slowly roll over to the right side and press yourself to seated. Again, if the right leg tends to be forward, maybe cross the left leg over. Find yourself in a seat and bring the hands in front of the heart. Honor yourself for taking this time to your mat. Bring the hands in Anjali Mudra, thanking your body, your mind, and your spirit for showing up. The light in me honors the light in each and every one of you for joining me in this short power yoga class. Namaste. My name is Beth. If you like this content and if it brings value to you, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. As you like it, I will do more of these short videos. Again, namaste.